I've put again the full flow that is being covered by our operations, which starts on the left side with an organ or with an animal, if it's a preclinical pathology project, with microscopy, necropsy, dissection. Obviously, the technical side of preparing tissues, embedding and cutting them. Then the whole category of stains in all different forms and formats that are fully automized. So all these are really subject of a typical technical workup within pathology. Then we have the scanning, the image processing, and the fact of putting those images in the cloud and making them available for use. We have the 80% zone of quality control, basic evaluation, and all calculations that can be automated. And then there's the expert working and producing the report. And what you see on this slide is that the way we've set up the operations is that there's different points where you can get in. We could actually accept projects where we get organs or animals. We could also work with blocks. We could work with glass slides that are already being stained and ready to go. But we could even work with digital images where our expert network provides a second opinion or an opinion on those slides. And at the same time, there's also different places where you can take deliverables out of our flow. We could, for instance, do the whole technical work up to digital images, or we could just take slides and produce digital images. Obviously, our core business being digital, we do prefer to work at least up to pre-processing of the images. We do think we can bring a lot of added value by putting some of our algorithms at work and not just delivering brute images. And obviously, we can also take the deliverable up to the full report, where you would have the full flow being covered. And that's what Mark also mentioned, is the match and pick approach that we put forward with CPAT. This gives us the advantage that under one roof, we actually master all these expertises. And there's a lot of crosstalk between the people developing the algorithm and the people knowing the technical skill that is required to make a good slide, and the pathologists knowing what they're looking for in the outcome. So that makes it a very powerful combination.